consider in this chapter, this is the formula of rate of return, average return, variance, standard deviation, and coefficient of variation. The first company we are going through is Hapsan Consolidated Berhad. This is the data given from the Hapsan Consolidated Berhad. From this data, we can calculate the rate of return, average return, variance, standard deviation, and coefficient of variation.
Now I will be presenting the power rate Berhad. As you can see in the table above, there are rate of return from 2015 until 2019. For 2015, the ROR is 18.2529%. For 2016 is 14.9016%, while for 2017 the ROR is 12.6405%. Next, for 2018 is negative 16.6945%. And lastly, for ROR 2019 is 36.0133%. The average return for power root is 13.0228%. Moreover, as shown above, the variance for this company is 288.5422%, and the standard deviation is 16.9865%. And last one, the covariance is 1.3043%. That is all for power root Berhad. Next, we will be going to the next company.
Next, we move to another company, which is Dialog Group Berhad. Dialog Group Berhad is an energy industry where is a leading supplier of technical services in the oil and gas as well as petrochemical industry. Furthermore, the rate of return for Dialog in 2015 was 25.7819%, meanwhile in 2016 was 31.4159%, in 2017 was 68.3898%, in 2018 was 101.3613%, and last but not least in 2019 was 36.3409%. The average return for Dialog was 52.6579%. Besides that, the variance was 811.8581%, standard deviation was 28.49%, and lastly, CV was 0.5410.
Next company is Alliance Malaysia Berhad under sector financial services. Company rates of return 2015 12.3080%, 2016 7.0501%, 2017 56.3182%, 2018 74.7975%, 2019 142.0429%. Average return is 58.5029%.
The variance for Alliance was 2406.1525%, the standard deviation was 49.0525%, and lastly, the CV was 0.8385.
Under technology sector is Vitrock Corporation Berhad. Vitrock rates of return 2015 196.7071%, 2016 114.1938%, 2017 189.5257%, 2018 107.2269%, 2019 33.8983%. For average return is 128.3104%. Variance is 3,596.5717%. Standard deviation 59.9714%. CV is 0.4674.
The last one is KLCI. This is the data given from KLCI. Based on this data, we can calculate the rate of return, average return, variance, standard deviation, and coefficient of variation. Moving on to the next chapter. In this chapter, we are going to calculate the covariance and correlation of three best stocks we have chosen earlier. In choosing the best stocks, we assemble all stocks CV to compare with KLCI CV. However, we cannot compare those stocks with KLCI since KLCI CV is negative value. Thus, we compare based on their standard deviation. Hapsan Consolidated Berhad as 21.6137%, Power Berhad 16.9865%, Dialog Group Berhad 28.49%, Alliance Malaysia Berhad as 49.0525%, and Vitrock Corporation Berhad as
59.9714%. From those standard deviations, we choose 3 stocks with low standard deviation because the lower the standard deviation is the better. Then, we choose Hubsan Consolidated Berhad, Power Root Berhad, and Dialog Group Berhad.
From this data and formula, we can get the covariance and correlation of those stocks.
Last but not least, as the table shown above are the portfolio risk and return for Hubsang, Powerroot, and Dialog. The expected return is 29.6866% and the variance is 26.9275%, and last one is the standard deviation, which is 5.1892%.
Next, for comparative analysis, the risk for KLCI was 5.0161.
Meanwhile, portfolio risk is 5.1892. That means KSI risk was better than portfolio risk.
Lastly, for conclusion and recommendation, we suggest for existing investor to hold the stock.
Next, we recommend that potential investor to buy the selected stock because portfolio is outperformed rather than KSCI.